Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Reolink Duo Vandal Proof PoE 16 megapixel 4K UHD camera. Yep, all that combine it together and you will have the perfect camera. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice unboxing experience. We have C-Link for the Ethernet port, the Ethernet cable, one meter the length, a pack of screws, one Allen key, reset pin, 4 screws. And of course we have in this envelope cleaning cloth, Reolink sticker, 5 stickers on 5 different languages. I love that. Reolink 24/7 surveillance. Manual, drilling template, and the camera. This camera is IP67 rated, is designed to withstand all elements, ensuring year-round monitoring in any weather condition. And of course it is IK10 Vandal proof, meaning it can withstand powerful impacts and tampering, even with blunt objects like bats or clubs. We can see how it looks at the bottom. You can remove that to adjust the cable. Or not, it is your choice. Here you can connect the Ethernet cable, 48 volt active PoE, or power adapter, 12 volt 1 amp you can connect. I will use this camera with this PoE injector with maximum DC output 56 volt. Gigabit data here and gigabit data plus power. So I need to connect for the power here and then the Ethernet cable from my router here. That was all, and power it on. Later I will do that. Here at the front we can see it has a dual 16 megapixel lens and then 180 degrees panoramic view. Its dual image stitching technology combines 2 4K images into one. Reolink, it looks amazing. With motion track you can visualize the movement path of people, vehicles and animals. It has color night vision with 6 spotlights. Even in low light conditions you can see very clear. And it has infrared night vision with 6 LEDs that can see up to 30 meters away. And with a microphone and speaker you can use the two-way audio communication. The camera is equipped with built-in spotlights and a siren from the speaker to effectively deter intruders. The spotlights activate to deter crime and the siren provides an alarming alert. Later I will show you that. You can choose from flexible storage options to securely store all your recordings. A microSD card here, I need to remove this cover, up to 256 GB. Silicone rubber, IP67, and inside we have the microSD slot and the reset button. 256 GB. That was all. Or you can choose Reolink NVR or an FTP server. And don't forget to use the waterproof lid because you are using the Ethernet cable. Now to install the camera at the wall you need to remove these 3 screws with the Allen key. We have one cable here. And then you can use the 3 holes. Silicone rubber around, seal it very well, no water will go inside and damage this camera. And now we can see very well the lens, dual lens, the spotlights and the infrared night vision. And we have the daylight sensor here. And of course you can adjust these 2 lenses, left and right. Up and down. Or you can rotate the base. Nice! We have this arrow, here it says 0 degrees and then it goes 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, the maximum. And the same from the other side. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. Nice. I love when a camera it has so many adjustments. Definitely you will find the perfect spot for your surveillance. And after making the final adjustments, you can install again the cover. That was all. And install the 3 screws. Perfect. You can access your camera from anywhere, anytime, receive real-time alerts, enjoy easy live view and take advantage of smart playback and customizable motion zones with the Reolink app. Let's move on and start the setup. We have the PoE injector, plug in, blue light, Reolink app, one device found, create username and password, illegal login, logout, disable, enable, next, front door, side door, next, formatting, and finish. That was all, so easy to install your new PoE camera. The sheer detail provided by the 16 megapixel UHD resolution is astonishing, allowing for forensic level clarity whether you are zooming in on a license plate or identifying a face. Combined with its groundbreaking 180-degree panoramic view from a single unit, you get comprehensive coverage with no blind spots, replacing multiple cameras with one. At the main screen you can zoom in and unzoom at any spot you want. You can trigger the audio alarm for a few seconds. Wow, that is very loud. Turn on the spotlight. I will show you at the night how it looks. Turn off. You can watch other cameras from Reolink if you have this app. Day and night. You can choose auto, black and white and color. I will show you at the night how it looks. Immersive and picture-in-picture, again if you have other cameras from Reolink. You can pause and resume the live streaming. Mute and unmute the speaker. Take a screenshot, save it to phone album and you can share. Start recording, what are you seeing at this moment. Stop recording, save it to phone album and you can share. You can choose fluent, balanced or clear resolution. Clear it is the highest. And you can go at full screen. Talk. Tap to talk.
Beyond its incredible visual fidelity, the IK10 Vandal proof rating means this camera is built to withstand direct impacts, offering ultimate durability in demanding environments. And with power over Ethernet PoE connectivity, installation is streamlined. Just one cable handles both power and data, ensuring a reliable, stable connection.
And stop. Playback. You can pause and resume. Adjust with your finger at the correct position you want. You can choose other files here. We can see motion detection, car detection, movement detection. You can mute, unmute the speaker, take a screenshot, save it to phone album and you can share. Start recording what are you seeing at this moment, stop recording and you can share. And of course you can choose clear or fluent resolution, or you can go at full screen. You can choose the speed, you can download, maximum 120 seconds. And complete, save to phone album and you can share. You can choose to go back and watch other footage, depending the capacity you have at your microSD or NVR, home base. Change the layout, tap here and you can choose for any motion, person, vehicle, animal, crossing alert, intrusion alert or loitering alert. If you choose person, you will see only the footage for person. Reset, confirm, now you have all the footage. And of course you can adjust in here at this line. And we have the motion track, motion timestamp, disable, enable, generate. The movement image of the detected target in the current playback file. And you will have these results. Let's go back. Let's move on at the settings. Some information about the camera, storage. You can format the storage. Override recordings, you can choose. Override time-lapse files, disable, enable. Update device, auto-update, disable, enable or update manually. Display. Stream, clear, you can choose resolution, frame rate, max bit rate, fluent, resolution, frame rate, max bit rate, frame rate mode, auto or constant, bit rate mode, constant or variable. Anti-flicker, 50 or 60 Hz, other or close. Day and night, I will show you how it looks at the night. Brightness, you can adjust the brightness. Camera name, top left, center right, bottom left, center right or height. Date, the same you can choose. Watermark, disable or enable. Privacy mask, press and drag to draw a black rectangle up to 4 on the screen to block out a specific area. And save. And you will have these results. Remove and continue. Advanced, threshold, you can adjust, restore default value and confirm. Image stitching, this camera has a dual lens. If you have any problems, you can adjust the distance, horizontal or vertical, and you can restore to defaults. Brightness and shadows, color day mode, you can adjust the brightness, the shadows, black and white, the same and here you can adjust. Color night mode, same and here you can adjust. Or just choose auto. Sounds, record audio, disable, enable, adjust the alarm and speaker volume. I like it, that is very loud. Noise reduction, disable, enable, and you can adjust from low to high. Light, spotlight, close or night smart mode, detection for person, vehicle or animal. Brightness, you can adjust the brightness. I will show you at the night how it looks. Infrared lights, auto or close, auto. Detection alarm, non-detection zone. You can paint, erase, paint all or erase all. Create a zone over the area you don't want to receive alerts about. Motion mark, it is on beta, disable, enable. Sensitivity, motion detection, you can adjust from 1, it is the lowest, medium, to 50. Smart detection, for person, vehicle or animal, from 0 to 100. Alarm delay, for person motion from 0 to 8 seconds, vehicle or animal. Object size, for person, vehicle and animal, and you can adjust moving objects that are smaller than the minimum object size or bigger than the maximum object size will not trigger alarm. Delete and save. Smart event detection, line crossing alert, you can add, edit, adjust, you can reset or delete, save, you can rename, for person, vehicle or animal, you need to choose one, adjust the sensitivity from 0 to 100 and save. There it is. Delete fence. Zone intrusion alert, add, edit, and again you can adjust, reset or delete, save, you can rename, choose the person, vehicle or animal, adjust the alarm delay from 0 to 10 and the sensitivity from 0 to 100 and save. There it is, and of course you can add more zones. Delete. Zone loitering alert, add, edit, adjust again, more or less are the same settings. You can reset or delete, save, rename, for person, vehicle and animal, adjust the alarm delay and the sensitivity. Save. There it is. Delete the zone. Camera recording, disable, enable, motion recording schedule, detection type, select all, any motion, person, vehicle or animal, and you can adjust the hour, choose the days of the week, select all, erase all, select all. Post recording direction, 15 to 30 seconds or 1 minute. Continuous recording schedule. Select all, save, and now you have continuous recording. Or you can adjust which hour you want or day, or erase all. Select all. I would like to have continuous recording. Push notifications, disable, enable, device notification ringtones, alarm ringtone, mute, urgent, important or general. Schedule, detection type, you can choose again, choose one of these days, adjust with your finger, disable, enable and copy to other days of the week. Push interval, 20, 30, 60 or 120 seconds. Email alerts, set up now. You can set up with your email account and you will have email alerts. FTP server, schedule, again detection type, Timer, the same, you can adjust, enable, copy to other days of the week. FTP settings. If you want to enable the FTP server, you need to adjust all these settings to your needs. Siren, activate, Siren sound, custom sounds, you can record up to 5 seconds, start, testing 1 2 3 testing, testing 1 2 3 testing, sending data, sound test,
Testing 1 2 3 testing, testing 1 2 3 testing.
I like the sound, very loud. Schedule, detection type again, and you can adjust, enable, disable, and copy to other days of the week. Linky devices, you can add, you can select, time lapse, try now, event people traffic, moving clouds, sunrise, sunset, construction, blooming, customize, capture start, you can choose the day, adjust the hour and the minutes, direction, day, hour, minutes, finish capture automatically, disable, enable, interval, seconds, minutes or hours, quality, clear, balanced or fluent, clear it is the highest, file type, video or photo, and start. You can see the estimate video length and the estimate file size depending on your settings. File encryption, you can set encryption code, advanced, share device, add, allow management, view only, live view, playback, talk, push notifications, authorization ends on, you can choose, I like that, and a remark, and you can generate. Illegal login, logout, disable, enable, change device password, day and time, reboot and restore. You can delete the device, log out of the device, and let's move on to check the video quality at the night. And that brings us to the culmination of our in-depth review of the Reolink Duo 3 PoE Vandal-proof camera. As you've witnessed, this isn't just a security camera. It's a monumental leap in surveillance technology, offering unparalleled coverage and resilience. Whether you are securing a large property, a busy commercial space, or a critical entry point, the Reolink Duo 3 is engineered to deliver. Its intelligent detection capabilities, superb night vision, and robust construction make it a top-tier choice for those who demand the absolute best in security and reliability. So if you're ready to elevate your surveillance system to a whole new level of detail, coverage, and unyielding protection, the Reolink Duo 3 is truly in a league of its own. What are your biggest concerns when it comes to property security? And how will the 180-degree panoramic view enhance your current setup? Share your thoughts and questions about the Reolink Duo 3 in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from our security community. If this video helped you understand the Reolink Duo 3 PoE better, please give us a big thumbs up, it truly supports our channel. And for more cutting-edge reviews of security cameras, smart home tech, and essential surveillance solutions, make sure you are subscribed and have hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching everyone, we are always here to help you secure what matters most. And until next time, stay vigilant, stay protected, and we'll see you in the next video.